The Aam Aadmi Party has officially kicked off its election capital with the Delhi polls expected to be announced soon in a first of a series of rallies and public meetings called the AAP Dialogues. The party leaders have gathered at Jantar Mantar where thousands of their supporters seem to be flocking.
मैं कहूंगा कि एक बहुत बड़ा रेडिकल और रेवोल्यूशनरी जो शुरुआत हो रही है, अगर 49
सबसे बड़ी समस्या यूथ की क्या है? पहले शिक्षा, उसके बाद रोजगार। दिल्ली के अंदर जितनी सीट है कॉलेजों के अंदर, उन सीटों को आज जितनी सीट है उससे दुगना किया जाएगा, डबल किया जाएगा। कैसे किया जाएगा? 20 नए कॉलेज बनाए जाएंगे दिल्ली के अंदर। 20 नए कॉलेज बनाएंगे और जितने कॉलेज आज चल रहे हैं उन कॉलेजों के अंदर भी सीटें बढ़ाएंगे। इतनी सीटें बढ़ाएंगे कि 5 साल के अंदर दिल्ली के अंदर जितनी सीट है कॉलेजों की, वो सीटें डबल कर दी जाएंगी।
And tracking the story for us is my colleague Sonal Mehrotra, who now joins us from Jantar Mantar, the venue of that rally. Sonal, of course, election dates for Delhi yet to be announced, but clearly the Aam Aadmi Party has sounded the election bugle there. How enthused is the party by today's turnout?
Well, Neha, the AAP Dialogues have turned into our AAP Party now. This is the first of the series of AAP Dialogues voted, intended to, and aimed at the youth. And thus they're doing what they do best. They've got on various Bollywood celebrity singers to in fact reinforce that belief in Delhi voters. With me, the Ashutosh of the Aam Aadmi Party. Is it too early to enjoy and rejoice right now? How easy or difficult will it be for Aam Aadmi Party, especially for the critics who said that you quit government in 49 days?
It's not rejoicing. What we are doing is we are just trying to energize our workers who for the last 4-5 months they have been fighting on the streets. They are going each and every house. They are trying to convey the message of Aam Aadmi Party. So it's just a little bit energizing exercise which is done over here. And I can tell you that today this dialogue is a very, very innovative concept which has been evolved by Aam Aadmi Party. It is to connect the common citizen of this country with the experts.
With the citizens, you've definitely taken a lead there compared to the other political parties here. A new slogan has been unraveled today. Smart Saal Kejriwal. Is this to silence the critics who were firing shots at you with AK-49?
See, it's not what we are trying to tell to the people of Delhi, that in 49 days, whatever we have promised, we try to deliver, and we have delivered. And that is why people were unhappy and upset when we resigned. Now we are promising to the people that come what may, if we win, we are going to rule for 5 years. And there is a definite blueprint how to make Delhi as the first corruption-free state in India, as well as world-class city. And that's why, as a first step, today we are unraveling the first step, that is regarding youth. How the employment can be generated, how the Delhi can be made as an education hub, as a trade hub, and all that.
Right. So you heard Ashutosh of the Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, this is the first series of various dialogues which will be coming up. Next one aimed at women's security, then further on health as well. So Aam Aadmi Party here trying to take the lead in trying to connect with the voters. It will be time. Perhaps, it will be on Delhi voters to decide which way they swing. But many saying at this point, between when it comes to Delhi, only after the recent, trends that we've seen in various states, the only person perhaps standing in between BJP and the Delhi government at this point is perhaps Arvind Kejriwal. We have to wait and watch to see where and which way the Delhi voters swing this time around. Neha?
Well, it certainly promises to be a fascinating election here in the national capital. Thanks very much, Sonal, for bringing us those details. So the first in a series of AAP dialogues taking place at Jantar Mantar today, and the Aam Aadmi Party hoping to recapture Delhi in the forthcoming polls.